All right, so when you're combining like terms, the variables and the exponents have to like match up. So here you have 8y minus 3y. So since the variables are the same, you just leave it the same. And then you have 8 minus 3, which is 5. And for example, like with problem number 10, which says you combine your like terms. Like you have a to the 5th and a to the 5th. So these two terms are the same. A b and a b. So these two terms are the same. So I can combine these two and then these two. So that's I got a to the 5th power. And then just 4 minus 2 is just 2. And I have 4b plus 1b. 4 plus 1 is 5, so it's plus 5b. So I just combine these like terms here. And then I'm gonna let you do numbers 9 and 11. It says here, for these 4 problems right here, it says for each expression, use a property to to write an equivalent expression. Tell which property you used. So if you look here, it says C times D. So that's multiplication. So all you would do if you go here, where it says here commutative property of multiplication, it says when multiplying, changing the order of the numbers does not change the product. So does not change your answer to a multiplication problem. So here you see right here we have 2 times 4 and then 4 times 2. So your answer is still going to be the same. So it's going to be commutative property of multiplication. So right here, you would just write D times C, and this is the commutative property of multiplication. I'm just going to abbreviate. I'm running out of room. Okay. And then here, problems 15 through 24 is just combining your like terms. So you can combine these two because they have, this is x4 and that's x4. So that's x to the 4th power. And then you just subtract the coefficients. So 7 minus 5 would be 2. With problem like number 17 as an example, the only two terms that are the same are the b 6b plus 7b. So these are the same. This term is like all by itself. There's nothing that you combine this with. So I'm going to write my b. 6 plus 7 will be 13. So that's 13b minus 10. And let me just use this one as an example. Since you have parentheses here, you're going to distribute the positive 3 to everything that's inside the parentheses. So this is going to become y plus 4 plus 3y plus 6. So you can combine your y's. I have 1y plus 3y. That's going to give me 4y. And then I have positive 4 plus 6 will give me a positive 10.